In this video, I will show how to create pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select your data, then insert, and here select this pie chart. There is the option 2D or 3D. Also, you can select pie of pie or pie of bar of pie or simple 3D, and there are some more options. Once you click on more pie chart, you can select also bar chart area. So select and then click on OK. Yep, here you can adjust the size, color combination, style. Here you can add your chart name. Once you click on this plus icon, so you can show the data labels. Once click here, you can get the more option like data code out. It will show with percentage. In more options, you can change color, border thickness. In label option, you can select value without percentage, with percentage, and there are some more options. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.